Hello everyone, this is Azaan Khan. It's my honor and privilege that today I'm here at St. Maria Gorittee Church. And as you know that we do the toy drive, and during the toy drive many people donated these warm clothes, jacket and winter shoes to us along with the toys also. And the main purpose to donate here that the people who are homeless and coming to this church, especially on Christmas and Happy New Year, they will benefit from these donation. I would like to say thank you to Cosmopolitan Reality because in the Mississauga location we collected all these donation. In the same time, I would like to say thank you to all the people coming and support us, especially Canadian Pakistani narrative, especially Sajanth Mohan, Carina, Samera, all my Ajax neighbors who came there and supported, and only the main purpose that Christmas meaning sharing and caring. Father Elias, sir, what you say on this occasion, sir?
Well, I really am very happy to see you and thank you very much. You always bring some stuff to the poor, to the needy, food, the clothing, and toys today also for Christmas for the kids. We are very grateful to those who donated this stuff. For sure, people will benefit. No doubt will benefit and will be very happy that they have a gift, somebody thinking of them on this beautiful season, Christmas and the New Year. We are always grateful to the people who donated to you, you giving your time, your cars and your children coming also to support you and to bring this stuff for the needy. Highly appreciated very much.
Thank you, and thank you everyone, because without you we couldn't able to achieve this goal. I also want to say thank you all the media who convey our message, and especially Canadian Pakistani narrative. They're all volunteers help, and all the youth from Ontario Tech, Durham College, Toronto University, Waterloo, wherever you are, you are just amazing. And you are the future generation. So thank you. Merry Christmas to all and Happy New Year.
Amen.